Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Johnmuer Health. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in johnmuerhealth.sharepost.com/sites/hr. Then press enter and now you will be taken into the sign-in portal right away. Now, first of all, type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then click on the next button. You will then see the send notification box. Go ahead and click on this and you will receive an email within the email address that you used with the link that will allow you to log into your account. You may also receive a verification code which you will need to enter within the next screen. After entering the verification code within the next screen, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. You can also click on other ways to sign in and you will be able to use your facial ID, your fingerprint, your PIN or your security key. And you can also use your password by clicking on use my password. From here, if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with Johnmuer Health. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.